26 million children in Pakistan are not in school. Not 26,000, not 2,600. 26 million children, 1 in every 3, who should be in a classroom right now. Pakistan's own Prime Minister confirmed this number. It is not a rumor. It is not an exaggeration. It is the reality of education in our country today. I am Razia Solangi. I have spent 30 years working in education across Sindh. Today, I want to tell you not just what this number means, but what you can actually do about it. Pakistan's literacy rate is only 60%. That means 4 in every 10 Pakistanis cannot read or write. Among women, the number is even lower, only 53%. In Sindh alone, entire generations of children, especially girls, are growing up without school. Rural areas, interior districts, farming communities. The crisis is real, and it is here. But this is not inevitable. This is not destiny. This is a crisis that ordinary parents, teachers, and communities can change, one child at a time. Here are 3 things every parent can do right now. Number 1, know whether your child is actually learning, not just attending. A child who sits in a classroom but cannot read by grade 3 is in crisis. Read with them every day. Number 2, keep your daughter in school past grade 5. The most dangerous moment for a girl's education in Pakistan is the transition from primary to middle school. Fight for those extra years. They change a life. Number 3, talk about education at home like it matters. Children absorb the values of their households. Make education the most important conversation in your home. Here are 3 things every teacher can do right now. Number 1, notice who is missing. The most dangerous dropout is the one nobody noticed leaving. Take attendance seriously. One phone call to a family can bring a child back. Number 2, make the classroom a place girls feel safe. Female teachers, boundary walls, clean washrooms. These are not luxuries. They are the difference between a girl who comes to school and one who does not. Number 3, be the reason one child stays. In 30 years, I have watched teachers change lives, not through grand gestures, but through daily attention and the simple act of making a child feel seen. 26 million children are out of school in Pakistan. That number will not change in one day, but it changes one child at a time, and it starts with you. If you are a parent, fight for your child's education like it is the most important thing in the world, because it is. If you are a teacher, know that what you do in that classroom matters more than any policy, any budget, any government announcement. And if you are neither, share this video. Because the first step to solving any crisis is making sure people know it exists. Subscribe to Educating Futures for more. Visit blog.educatingfutures.com. The children of Pakistan are waiting. Let us not make them wait any longer.